Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to fix the collision basically from the previous update. So this corresponds with the last video where we updated from 7.0.1 to 7.0.2 with the new example content and such. And I want to show you how to resolve this. So you can see basically that red trace is the firearm collision. As you can see, it is not moving as I lean or anything like that. So if I walk over to a wall, for example, see it's working, but if I shoot out, then it's no longer working and I'm clipping. So I didn't realize those were actually physics. So it's even more apparent as you get into like left-hand corners and stuff like that. But you can kind of see my point. It has its own set of issues where it's it's not following, simply put. So if we look at the skeleton of the provided example character, there used to be a virtual bone here on the root. That has been moved to the head. So we're going to do that same thing. So here's our example mannequin. Here's that virtual bone that was on the root. We're just going to simply copy its name and delete it. Now we can scroll down to the head, right click, add a virtual bone, and the target bone is also going to be head, and then we can rename it to Firearm Collision Grip. Go ahead and save that and press play. Now you can see as I look up and look down, lean, and everything, the firearm collision is tracking with the muzzle just like it used to. So now there is no more funkiness, and it works with all the poses and everything just like before. So now you're good to go. 2-second fix, good to go. Anyways, I'm making this long enough. I will see you in the next video.